Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Carreon, and today we're going to learn about measuring things. So pay close attention. The units of measurement are references we use to measure or calculate things like length, weight, temperature, time, capacity, and many other things. To make this clearer, let's see the most common ones. Weight. Weight is how heavy or light something is. We use ounces for small things, like an apple or a slice of bread. We use pounds for heavier things, like a backpack full of books or a small dog. For very heavy things, like a car, we use tons. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. To measure weight, we use a scale like this one. Look, the pineapple weighs 2 pounds. Doctors use special scales to weigh babies. And grocery stores have scales to weigh fruits and vegetables. Super easy, right? Length. Length is how long or short something is. Small things we measure in inches, like your finger or a paperclip. We measure bigger things in feet, like a door or the height of a person. Even bigger things in yards, like a football field. A football field is 100 yards long. And very big distances in miles, like from home to school, or even farther, like to another city. There are 12 inches in a foot, 3 feet in a yard, and 5,280 feet in a mile. To measure length, we use rulers, yardsticks, or measuring tapes. Super easy, right? Capacity. Capacity is how much a container can hold. To measure liquids, we use cups. 1 cup is like your drinking cup at home. For bigger amounts, we use gallons, like milk bottles from the store or big water jugs. There are other units, too. Pints and quarts. 2 cups equals 1 pint. 2 pints equals 1 quart. 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. We use measuring cups to see how much juice or milk we drink. A soda can is usually 12 ounces. Super easy, right? Time is how long something takes to happen. We use hours and minutes. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 24 hours in 1 day. 1 hour is as long as our math class. Minutes are short, like how long it takes to tie your shoes or eat a snack. We use clocks and watches to measure time. Calendars help us keep track of days, weeks, and months. Super easy, right? Temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. We measure temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. If it's very hot outside, the thermometer shows a big number, like 90 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's cold, the number is smaller, like 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If water freezes, that's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. We use thermometers to measure temperature. Even our refrigerator has one to keep our food safe. Doctors use thermometers to check your temperature if you feel sick. Super easy, right? Now I'm going to leave you some exercises. Can you answer them? I hope to see your answers in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this topic. Please give me a like, leave a comment, share it, and subscribe so you can keep watching my videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.